volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So for this one, it's 4/3 times pi times 1.5 cubed. Density is mass divided by volume. The mass is 109.6. The volume is this long number. So the density is 7.756. Three significant figures, 1, 2, 3. Next digits are 2, so I don't need to change it. D, E, F, so I want that angle there. If that angle's 42, then that angle's 42. So this angle is 180 subtract 42, which is 138. I've got a hexagon, so that's got 6 sides. Subtract 2 times 180. All the angles must add up to 720. So far I've got 50, 96, 144, 42 and 138. So I've got 470 so far. Leaves me with 250. So this is 250. To get that angle, I need to take that away from 360. Which leaves me with 110 degrees. He does not replace the cards, so the number of cards is going down. So if there were 5, so there's only 4 out of 9. No change in the blues, there's still 4 of them, and there's still 1 green. In the middle, the blues go down by 1 to 3. But there's still 5 reds and 1 green. At the bottom, the 1 green has gone, but there's still 5 reds and 4 blues. At least 1 blue card and no green card. So he could go red then blue, blue then red, or blue then blue, and nothing in the greens. So red, blue is 5/10 and 4/9. Blue, red is 4/10 and 5/9, and blue, blue is 4/10, 3/9. Which is 26 out of 45. Mode 3 question. Right, so our formula is x cubed subtract 2x squared subtract 3x plus 4. My table goes from -2 up to 3. I'd better go in steps of 0.5 to make sure I get everything. So -2 is -6, -1 goes with 4, -0.5 matches, 0 matches, 1 is 0, 1.5 matches, 2 is -2, and 3 is 4. So let's plot those: -2, -6, -1, -4, sorry, -1, 4, -0.5, 4.875, 4, 1, 0, 1.625, 2, 4. Try to join them up with a smooth curve going through all the points. Drawing a suitable straight line, find estimates for the solution of the equation. So, the graph I've got is y equals and what I'm trying to solve so what do I have to do to go from here to here? Well, it's fine to begin with. To go from -3x to -x, I've got to add 2x. And to go from 4 to 1, I've got to add 3. So if I add 2x and I add 3, then it's going to equal 0. So y equals -2x, subtract 3. Now, to draw that line, I want -2x, subtract 3, from -2 to 3. So -2 is 1, -1 is -1, 0 is -3, why do I feel this isn't right? Oh, it's not +3, it's -3. That should be plus. Right, let's try again. So it's -2x plus 3. So it starts at -2, 7. Oh, that's better. -1, 5, 0, 3. That's a better line. And it crosses it 3 times, so I've got more than one solution. 1, 2, 3 crossing points at -0.8, +0.7, and +2.3. .31, put a 5 on the end, take 1 off and put a 5 on the end. 0.65, put a 5 on the end. Take 1 off and put a 5 on the end. Lower bounds, I want to start with a small number and subtract a large number. It's 7.65.